implement what you already know. I ask the question all the time because one of the things, when I first joined Araj in his $1 Million Roundtable, they said there's 2 questions. First thing is, got to prove you made $1 million to be in it. And then the second thing is, there's a series, they said there are questions you got to answer. So I get on the phone, for those of you who haven't heard this story before, I get on the phone with one of Araj's coaches, and they said, well, there's not a series of questions, there's actually just one question. And the question is this: will you do what Araj tells you to do consistently for the next 6 months without question? I want y'all to think about that question. Will you do what Araj tells you to do consistently for the next 6 months without question? That's a powerful question, right? And I knew if I answered yes, they'd let me in. And if I answered no, they wouldn't let me in. So of course I said yes. But here's my question. In Legal Shield, if you did what you already knew to do consistently for the next 6 months without question, what would happen to your business?